Welcome to our channel. If you want to increase your iCloud storage beyond the free 5 GB plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to upgrade to a paid iCloud Plus subscription. Step 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 2. Tap on iCloud to view your current storage usage and available space. You will see a breakdown of what is using your storage. Step 3. Tap on Manage Storage or Manage Account Storage to see detailed information about your iCloud storage usage. Step 4. Tap on Change Storage Plan or Upgrade to iCloud Plus to see the available subscription options. Step 5. Review the available plans. Apple offers 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB options with different monthly pricing. Select the plan that meets your storage needs. Step 6. Tap on the plan you want to purchase. A confirmation screen will appear showing the monthly cost and renewal information. Step 7. Authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password when prompted. Step 8. Confirm your purchase by tapping Buy or Subscribe. The payment will be charged to your payment method on file with your Apple ID. Your iCloud storage will be upgraded immediately, and you will see the new storage capacity reflected in your account. The subscription will automatically renew monthly unless you cancel it. You can manage your subscription anytime through your Apple ID settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.